Greetings all, Ragnarok here, and today we're going to make an orange peel bird feeder. Now, this is a great project for any time, but if you have a few oranges that have been sitting around for a while, this is a great way to use them up. So what we're going to do is take about a third of the way down, and we're going to score our skin all the way around. And then we're going to peel the top off. Then we're going to take our knife and work the inside of the orange from the peel. Now, this isn't a perfect science here, obviously. You got to work with it. But what you want to try and do is not put any holes in the peel. So you want to be careful as you're going around the outside edge to work it slowly. Kind of feel where you're going with it. And this is a great project for all ages. You just really want to keep getting in there and working that edge. Just be careful at the bottom where the other end is. Those tend to rip out a lot easier if you're not gentle. All right. There we go. Now, if you're worried about the bottom ripping out, you can just leave that little bit inside there. It's not going to make a difference. But let me go ahead and finish off the rest of these oranges, and I'll bring you back. I have my 4 oranges cleared out. You can see that this one did have a hole in it. Ripped the bottom of the navel out, but that's all right. Because what we'll do to fix that is we'll just take some nice peanut butter and stick it over the hole, just like a putty. Just like that. And now that hole is filled. Now the easiest way to string this is we're just going to take and punch a little hole in the side here. Push our string through. You can really use any string you want. I'm just trying to use this up here, so that's what we have. Normally I'd use just some jute string. You want to stay away from anything clear though, like fishing line. That probably wouldn't be advisable. You want the birds to be able to see what it's hanging by so they don't get trapped in it. But we're just going to make a little knot on the end. And pull that. Then we're going to go over here on the opposite side and make another hole. Then again, we'll use our knife to just gently push the string through the hole. We'll tie a knot on this side. And now we're ready to fill up our orange feeders. I'm just going to go ahead. And there we have it. Now let's take them out and hang them up. And then we just take and hang them out for our feathered friends to enjoy. Until next we meet, be well.